Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Today I will present my business ethical assessments. My topic is Boeing and the Alaska Airline Flight 1282 incidents. In this presentation, I will talk about three main things. First, I will introduce Boeing. Second, I will explain the ethical issue. Finally, I will give some recommendation. Let's begin. First, let me introduce Boeing. Boeing is a big aerospace company. It was started by William E. Boeing in 1960. Okay, the company is now based in Arlington, Virginia. Boeing serve customer is more than 150 counter, and it also has about 170,000 employees around the world. Boeing makes airplanes are also work in defense, space, and aircraft service. So the company also focus on safety, quality, and innovation. Whatever, Boeing has faced some safety and ethical problem is recent years. This is why Boeing an important company for the issue for this business ethical case. Next, I will talk about Boeing main business. So Boeing has four main areas. First, comical airplanes. This part make passengers airplanes such as the 737 MAX 77 and 787. Second, Denver Space and Security. This part were more military aircraft, satellites, and space technology. Third, Boeing Global Service is provided aircraft maintenance, training, and other services. Finally, research and development. Boeing work on a new technologies such as AI, subtitleable food, and electric technology. These four areas help Boeing serve customers around the world. So now I will talk about the main ethical issue. In January 2024, Alaska Airline Flight 1282 has a serious problem. The plan the plans was a Boeing 737 MAX 9. Shortly after the takeoff, a door plug came off the plan. So luckily, no passengers were killed. However, the incidents raised serious questions about the safety. According to the investigations, for both were missing. The show problem in Boeing quality control and products process. There are also ethical problems. First, Boeing has a duty to keep passengers safe. Second, Boeing needs to be more open to clear about the problem. Third, the company needs to take responsibility. So this is was not only a technical problem; it was also a business ethical problem. So now let's look at effects for this problem. Now, I will use the PESTEL framework. First, politics. Boeing face more government checks and stronger rules. Second, economy. Boeing has higher costs, delayed deliveries, and compensation claim. Third, social. People lose some trust in Boeing. Some passengers also became more worried about the flying safely. For technology, Boeing improved inspection and used more digital monitoring. Five, environmental. So production delays and replace increased waste the carbon emissions. Finally, legal. Boeing faced investigations, possible fine a law switch. So we can see that one ethical problem can affect many parts of the company. So now I will like to talk about my first two recommendations. First, switches the safety and culture. Boeing should always put passenger safety first. Safety should be more important than production speed. Employees should also feel safe to report problems. This can reduce assistance and improve customer trust. However, changing company culture takes time and money. Second, improve quality control. Begin uh, begin 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 however transfer company is take the time and money lah. So second, improve quality control lah. Okay, so Boeing should check the aircraft carefully at every stage. The company should improve inspection and documentation lah. If should also use better monitoring system, this can reduce mistake and improve aircraft safely lah. However, stronger quality control may increase cost and take more time. So my third recommendation is ethical and safety training. Boeing should provide regular training for employees and manager. The training should teach them about safety, responsibility, and ethical decisions. This can help employee make better decisions. Whatever training needs time and more money. Okay, this is a bit difficult solution lah. So my four recommendation is protect whistleblower. Employees should be able to report safely problem without fear. Boeing should provide a safe way for employees to report problems. This can help the company find problem early. It can also improve trust between employees and management. Whatever, Boeing needs strong rules to protect these employees. So now I will talk about my conclusion for the all assignments. So finally, I will like to conclude my presentation. The Boeing case shows you that safety should always come first. A company should not put profit or business goals above safety. Boeing should improve its safety culture. It should also improve quality control. So employees should receive ethical and safety training. Employees who report safety problems should also be protected lah. So this action can help Boeing rebuild trust and improve this future. So my final message is safely should come before business. Thank you for your listening. So for the last, this is all my reference. So these are the reference I use for my assessments. Thank you.